Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create form in Zoho Forms step by step. Whether you want to build a contact form, customer survey, registration form, or a more advanced data collection form, Zoho Forms makes the entire process simple and beginner-friendly. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create, customize, and share your own professional forms. To get started, open your browser and head over to Zoho Forms. Once the website loads, sign in using your Zoho account credentials. If you don't already have an account, you can quickly create one for free by following the sign-up process on the screen. After signing in, you'll be taken directly to your Zoho Forms dashboard. Inside the dashboard, look for the Create Form button. Clicking this gives you multiple ways to start building your form. You can create a completely blank form from scratch, use a ready-made template, or import an existing form if you already have one prepared elsewhere. If you're new to form creation, templates are a great option because they save time and already include professionally designed layouts. Zoho offers templates for things like contact forms, event registrations, customer feedback, job applications, and much more. Once you choose your starting point, the form builder will open. This is where you'll begin designing your form. On one side of the screen, you'll see different field options such as name fields, email fields, phone numbers, drop-down menus, checkboxes, multiple choice questions, file upload options, and more. To add a field, simply drag and drop it into your form layout. Zoho Forms makes this process very smooth and beginner-friendly, so you can build your form visually without needing any coding experience. After adding fields, you can customize each one individually. Just click on a field to open its settings. Here, you can rename labels, add placeholder text, make questions required, or even create validation rules to ensure users enter information correctly. For example, you can require users to enter a valid email address or make certain fields mandatory before the form can be submitted. This helps you collect cleaner and more organized data. Next, move into the Settings section to configure how your form behaves. This is where Zoho Forms becomes even more powerful. You can enable email notifications so you receive alerts whenever someone submits the form. You can also create autoresponders that automatically send confirmation emails to users after submission. Once everything is ready, click the Publish or Share option. Zoho Forms allows you to share your form through a direct link, embed it on a website, or even share it through email and social media. And that's it. You've successfully created your own form using Zoho Forms. Thanks for watching this tutorial. I hope this guide helped you out today. If it did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials like this.